Let's talk about actually one of my favorites, and that is the time slot picker or proposed time for a meeting. So basically what this is, instead of a booking page where people select the time based on your availability, proposed time for a meeting or time slot picker, basically you are proposing few times when you would like to meet someone, and it looks like this. So here I propose few times where this person can then select and then click on one of these times to book a time with me. So I propose this. How do I create this? Well, just very simple. Click on the Weezly Chrome extension and click on propose time for a meeting. In this case, a link directly. So what I can do here, I can change the duration of a meeting, for example, 45 minutes, and I can directly see all the events in my calendar and just select few times when I would like to propose a meeting. And I can also change the name of this. So a short meeting, whatever I want, and just hit create. And Weezly will automatically create the link and just hit send. So now this lead, this person will automatically then just get this link and they can click on this link, and now they can only book meetings which I proposed. I have booked over 250 meetings like this with this on LinkedIn. It has been a massive time saver, and you can do this also from Gmail or any tool. So if I go to Gmail, what you can do directly is click on the Weezly icon, propose time for a meeting, Weezly will open up, and then what you can do is simply select few times when you would like to meet the person, hit create, Weezly will automatically insert these times, and then you can just send this to someone and they can click directly on the time to book this specific time with me. So imagine how much time you will save instead of sending emails back and forward. When can we meet? What date? What? It just saves you a huge amount of time. Absolutely one of my favorites in Weezly to book times very quickly. All right, good luck booking meetings. Bye-bye.